What is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make your logo transparent. It is really simple. All you gotta do is follow my steps. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome. In Google, you want to search for Adobe Image Background Remover. Then you want to click the link that says free image background remover. Then you want to press upload your photo, then upload your logo. Adobe is processing your photo now. After that, your logo has been fully transparent. Press Adobe Express. Now agree to continue. And after that, you want to press download. In download, you want to make sure that it is transparent PNG, because that means your background is going to be transparent. Without it, your background might not be transparent. Now press download. Now press download. Now press continue with Google or any other sign in that you prefer. After you have created your account, it's going to redirect you back to this page. Now press download again, then download, then Adobe is going to download your image for you. As you guys can see, the image is fully transparent now. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.